Google has delayed the launch of its Gemini 3.5 Pro AI model as the company works to improve it. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech news. As per Bloomberg, the company announced the Gemini 3.5 Pro AI model at its I/O Developers Conference in May, saying that the model wouldn't be ready for a broader rollout until June, and that has long past gone. The delay is due at Google taking time to try to improve the model, including its coding abilities. A Google spokesperson has said, "We're shipping quickly across a wide range of models while keeping them highly cost-effective for customers. We're currently testing 3.5 Pro, an upgraded Flash model, and other models with partners, and we're productively engaged with the U.S. government." AI firms have increasingly been working proactively with the U.S. government after President Trump signed an executive order in June governing that all the AI must show their models to the government for advanced oversight before they're released to the public. Due to this, AI startup Anthropic was involved in a weeks-long back and forth with the Trump administration last month after the U.S. government effectively banned its Claude Fable 5 and Claude Mythos 5 AI models over security concerns. But eventually, the government lifted the restrictions on June 30th. Now, Google's also been pushing to keep up with the rivals in the AI race with its Gemini 3.5, as OpenAI and Meta both released new AI models within the past month. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.